Okay, morning guys. Yeah, I must hope everybody's doing well. Doing this little bit of a breakdown of the rising wedge here. Also, you can say it is a descending triangle that's over here. Yeah, I'm just gonna just quickly. This is like almost an emergency video. So I haven't done any much preparation, so please excuse me. But as you know, my channel, it is uncut, it is raw. I don't do any fancy editing or anything like that. Okay, guys. So this has come straight up from what I'm seeing. If you do remember, we've had this upward sloping wedge, and we've broken down from this area over here, guys. You can also say we've had a descending triangle, which is also a bearish. Okay, so if you take this line over here, you take that line over there, that is your descending triangle. Okay, guys, so we're finding support here now at the moment, which is a critical support as we're coming out of this channel. The next level of support, we're probably looking at around about this area. If the Bitcoin price goes down to this area, okay, because this is the target of the ascending channel, okay, or rising channel, okay. And the dogs are going crazy now as well. Okay, so let's see if we can actually hit this target down here. But remember, we also got these areas here at the moment that we are looking for support, okay. But now I'm also seeing a chart now at the moment. Once again, I'm just, excuse me guys, unprepared. I'm gonna go through to here, guys. This is as opposed to this chart over here. Okay, I'm gonna show you another one where I posted the other day. Okay, this one over here, which is also the ascending triangle. Okay, oh, sorry, a symmetrical triangle, guys. I've taken a measurement from over here, but I haven't taken it from up top here, guys, because, yeah, you can, but I'll show you now. Let's see if we've got any confluence in another pattern, which is a bearish pattern, which is forming on the daily. Okay, so we got here, this is our target, which is in confluence with the ascending or the rising wedge, which we've got over here. Okay, then I want to show you this chart over here, which is on the daily Bitcoin US dollar on the index, which is, I'm not too sure about this one, guys, because we've got the almost like a hidden bear flag. Okay, but the only issue, my rule with bullish flags and bear flags, is that you've got to have from the top, or from where the pole started to where the pole ended, okay, the top of the flag. If this cluster here is more than 50% of the flag, okay, so in other words, the candles need to be lower. You see this mark over here, okay, this is the 50% mark over here, this section over here. So now, if I put it in line with that, we are around about there. So I need for the candles, for this be a valid pattern for me, I need the candles to be below and not be anywhere here. I need the candles to come up like this. Okay, so in other words, let's draw this down. I need the candles to virtually be in this area. Okay, so then I would be happy that like 98% this is a bull flag. Okay, if this bull flag does work out, I just need to show you and keep you guys aware that this is the target for the bull flag. This is at the 21, call it 21,500. Okay, guys. So this is what I'm seeing now in the charts at the moment. So let's wait and see what happens. Let's just check the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, the Bitcoin dominance has been falling. Okay, also we've had a rising wedge here, so the prices were going up and then all of a sudden broke down. Okay, we are getting a bit of a bounce on support over here. The question is, are we going to be able to stay up and go up, or otherwise are we going to break down and reach the target over here, which is the 41,500. At that time, yes, okay, the altcoins are going to suffer completely, okay, because remember, in this phase now, at the rate that Bitcoin goes up, the percentages compared to Bitcoin on altcoins, the percentages gains on altcoins will be greater. So say for instance Bitcoin goes up 5%, the altcoins will go up 10%. If Bitcoin comes down 5%, the altcoins will go down 10%, and so vice versa. Okay, so this is in this stage now at the moment, so this is what's happening now. We are getting a little bit of a push up now. Let's go to the chart. There we go. And looks like we could be bouncing, but it's too early to say. Far too early to say now at the moment, guys, because let's just pull this other chart up here. Excuse me. Okay. Remember, guys, we've had a bearish divergence for some time here. We've had a bearish divergence for some time here. Okay, and it has brought the price up. We have had a bullish divergence, which brought the price up, but it was too weak, guys. Once again, I just drew a trend line from this pinnacle high to this pinnacle high over here, or the pivotal high. Not pinnacle, sorry, guys, pivotal high. And then there was another symmetrical triangle, which we broke down. Okay, so we need to just be careful and just be mindful that at the moment now we are on a downtrend. Just in terms of the EMAs, this is the 100-day moving average. Okay, so 100-day, and then obviously you know my 21 EMA and the 20 MA. Then we got our 50 moving average as well, which is our 50 moving average. Okay, so we were able to break above that, the 50 moving, but at the same time, guys, we were below the 100 moving average. Okay, each time that happens, whether it's a 50 or the 100, this is now confirming we've got a short-term downtrend. Okay, on the 1 hour. Okay, I'm going to bring out another chart of mine, which has got a couple of indicators, and I've got obviously a lot more EMAs. Now, if you watch my EMA, have a look. There'll be a notification box on the top on my trading strategy. Have a look at that. Okay, as per below, I've got this chart there as well. I've got a video on this chart as well, guys. So go have a look at it. It's going to appear there, or otherwise at the end of the video, it will be at the end of the video, waiting for you to click on to have a look, guys. So please go have a look at that video. Okay, guys. So what I'm seeing now, this is a 1 hour, all right. As per, like I said before, we are in a confirmed downtrend. The 50 MA, the 100 MA and the 50 MA, we are now below, which is this one over here. Okay, you can see the dark green one there. All right, the stock RSI is right down at the bottom. So this could go across and flatline for at least a couple of hours, guys. And then the ADX and DI. If you don't know about the ADX and DI, I'm going to do a video this week about it and how to use it as an indicator in conjunction with 3 other oscillators, okay, because they work 100%. On the daily, on the ADXI, using the RSI and the stock RSI and the RSI, it is 100%, almost 100% accurate. As accurate can be, okay. But on the hourly time frame, I use it because I understand it. Okay, I can read it properly, and that it determines whether I go into a trade or not. Okay, now currently let's just quickly go through it. I'll do a video this week, and I'll let you guys know when it's ready. Okay, the red are the bulls. Okay, the red are the bears. Okay, the green are the bulls. Okay, the DI. All right. The ADX over here, which is the yellow line, gives you the indication of price action. anytime price action is above 25, you see this dotted line, okay? Almost like a perforated line, okay? Anytime it's gone over this 25 mark, price action is exploding, okay? In my video, I'll show you the levels from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, okay? Different levels, and that tells you more of explosion. The price action in this area is getting massive, okay? All right, so see here, we've only reached there, and this is the pinnacle point of this type here, okay? And now we've gotten higher than this area over here, okay? So obviously the price comes down further. The price will come down further, guys. We're pointing up on the red. We're pointing up on the yellow, which is the ADX. Okay. At the same time, guys, have a look here. You see wherever the green and the red cross, whether the green crosses over the red or the red crosses over the green. In this instant here, the red has crossed over the green. What happens over here? I'll line it up exactly where they started to cross over. Okay, there you go. Price comes down. The further this gaping mouth opens up, like a crocodile mouth, the further it opens up, guys, the bigger the move. Okay, so yeah, we got a massive move over here because this distance between this distance got even larger and larger as time went on. Okay, and as the candles went on, the hours went on. So this is a very, very good indicator, okay? But watch out for using it on the hourly. It can give you wrong signals. Rather use it on the 12-hour, which is a good accuracy, the daily, which is a better accuracy, and on the weekly, it is accurate. Okay, it is accurate. I'll give you a little quick snippet right now. As we're talking, I'll just quickly go through it now. Okay, just try to keep the video short. All right, so we're going to go now to the 12-hour. Oh, no, not the 12-hour. Let's go to the 12-hour. Okay, yeah, we're getting a gaping mouth already, guys. Okay, so that's on the 12-hour. We're getting a bullish divergence here. Okay, the RSI is below the 50 mark. Okay, so it's almost like getting a rejection. So we're coming oversold here. The stock RSI, the momentum, is crossing over once again, and we're probably going to hit down further. Okay, so we're going to probably come down further. Okay, all right. Let's go look at the daily, guys. So the daily, what I said is that we are accurate on the daily. All right. Look at where the stock RSI is now at the moment. We've crossed over. Okay. We haven't breached the top 80 mark here. Okay. Which is confirming that we are coming down. This is on the daily, guys. So what happens on the daily? We still get a downward slope. So we've got a downward slope over here. Okay. We see where they got the cross. And then we confirmed that we went below this mark over here. And then we continued to come down. Okay, so we continued to come down and we reached where we bounced. Okay, at this area here. On the daily, we're also getting a gaping mouth, a crocodile mouth here. What I call a crocodile mouth. Okay, so this gets wider. And if the ADX starts moving up above this level over here, we know we are coming for a much a downside that's going to happen. Okay, so the same thing happens over here, guys. Let me bring the chart down over here. Okay, and the point where we got 65k and then we couldn't break out, and then we all of a sudden came back down 54%. Right, so you want to line up. Check the confluence here. Let me do a vertical line for you guys, so you guys can quickly see. Okay, I'm just going to do this here. Okay, so I'm going to line up these parts here. Okay, so now we've got a confirmation. We going down. Okay, you see where that line is. Let me make it bigger for you. You guys can see. Okay, right. We've got confirmation that we're coming down on the daily on the RSI. That's confirmation. Anything below this 80k mark or 80 mark, we're coming down. anything above this, what's it? There we go. The 20 mark, we are going up. Okay. So here we've already got the cross. Okay. And then we move across here. And then we know this is going up, going up, going up. Okay. So now we're coming down further. All right. We have come down. And then we went down slowly. And then obviously the ADX price action slowed down. Okay. But at this particular point here, before we cross, when we get the red crossing from the outside of the yellow, going into the red, going into the yellow, that move is slowing down now completely. Okay. Then we've got the RSI over here, guys. So have a look at the RSI. Boom. Okay. We came up, tried to come up, and we came back down. And you follow this line until we reach the bottom. And we reach the bottom here. That's where we reach the bottom over there, guys. Okay. All right. And then obviously we get a bullish divergence. Price keeps going up. But unfortunately at the moment now, guys, we aren't able to go up. The bullish divergence might still happen in a couple of days. Maybe next week. But that bullish divergence, if it takes longer than a week and a half or another week, it's going to be invalidated. Okay. Price will come further down. All right, guys. So this is on the weekly. On the weekly, guys, what I'm seeing here, let's have a look. Okay. The bulls are in control at the moment, guys, on the weekly. The RSI, we're down below. And the stock RSI, we're right down at the bottom. We're virtually flatlining here, guys. So, and now we're breaking into this level mark over here. So this is dangerous at the moment, guys. So let's wait and see. Okay, let's go back onto the hourly, and I just want to quickly touch on Ethereum. Where's Ethereum? Okay, let's go touch on Ethereum. All right, we're getting a bullish divergence on Ethereum here. Okay, just switch this off. There we go. Bullish divergence on Ethereum, right? But what I'm seeing now is that we are starting to get a crossover on this. Okay, so we got a crossover here. So I'm watching this. Each time we get a flip of these 200 MA, 200 EMA. Okay, price action changes. Okay, so we've had a nice little increase. Okay, the price has come up, and then now all of a sudden the 200 EMA and the 200 MA have crossed, and they crossed again, and they crossed again. So they might be looking at to cross again. I'm not too sure. We've got a nice bullish divergence over here. Okay, so let's wait and see. Yes, okay, we are cruising with the ADX. Okay, and we are at the bottom of the on the hourly stock RSI. So yeah, we got to wait and see, because we're also going to get across here. Each time we get across in a line, vertical line comes down in the red, we are signaling more downside, guys, more downside. Okay, so I just want to go to the daily, and I just want to update on the death cross for you guys. Okay, so check here. Here is the it's a 200 EMA, which is the orange, and that, let me close here. 200 EMA, which is the orange, and the 200 MA, which is the red one. Upward trend. Let me scroll out here. Upward trend. You can see the lines are above each other. So the orange is above the red. Upward trend. Okay, we get across, we go up. Okay. On the daily now, looks like we're getting it across. So the red goes above the yellow, the orange, we are coming further down. That's a downtrend. And we are getting a vertical line over here, guys. A vertical line. So each time we get a vertical line signals, we are going down. Okay. But this was obviously the anomaly. This was the COVID. So here we go. This is the last bear market we had. We get across. Okay. We get another cross over here with the 200 EMA and the MA. Okay. Price comes down. Price comes down. Even though we have bullish divergences, bullish divergences, bullish divergences. Be careful, guys. Okay. So let's just watch out for this. And then eventually we get a nice cross. Okay. And the price comes up. Okay, Bitcoin falls down because now obviously all altcoins and everything, we COVID. This is the COVID scenario there. And then, yeah, let's watch out there, guys. We're going to get a red line, vertical line there, and we're going to cross over here. So watch out for Ethereum, guys, and all the other alts. It is looking very, very similar. Okay, a lot of them are quite some time away, further away, and the Ethereum is merging on a death cross. So let's just put in death cross here, which is our indicator. Let's wait for it. All right, so my previous video, I'll show it up here. You can watch it. Okay, little indication up at the top, little box. And my prediction here was the 8th of August. Now we're looking at 3rd of August, guys. So as price comes down, yes, okay, we'll become closer and closer to the price target. Okay, the point. All right, guys, that's it for the now. And then safe trading, guys. Keep an eye out and watch out for more of my videos during the week. So let's just recap here, guys. Watch out for this. There's support. We've just passed support there now. We've got support over that section. We've got support over that section. Okay, guys. All right, that's it for the day. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Cheers. Bye.